push it to the side to let the oil, extra oil render out. Then I will put it onto
Cooking up.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to show you how to deep fry a fish. So I give you some tricks as to how to make deep frying fish more enjoyable. Yeah. So I have one piece of grouper fish here, probably about 250 to 300 grams. It's a grouper cutlet. The first thing you need to do after you wash it is you use a tissue or kitchen wiper to kitchen wipe to dry out the surface of the fish, remove the water so that it will not splatter so easily. After which we can actually marinate with a little bit of salt on both sides of the fish. I have some ginger which I'm going to fry also later. So first of all, you get ready some oil here, and you want to use high temperature, at least 180 degrees Celsius, to fry your fish. How do you know it? Well, you either there's two ways. Number one is you can actually look at your oil and to see whether it has reaches the smoking point or not. Usually, a normal oil generally is the smoking point is 180 degrees Celsius, but actually different kinds of oil may have slightly different. So you may want to go and purchase one of this. This is the thermometer, and kitchen thermometer where you can actually use it easily. So once it is reaching at least 180 degree and above, you can actually put in the fish using a long spatula to help you if you are scared of the oil splattering. Sometimes I just use my hand to put it in, not too good for beginners. And notice today I'm actually using a non-stick wok. So if you are using a non-stick wok to fry a fish, chances are your successful rate is going to be a lot higher as well. Yeah. And right after you put in the fish, try not to disturb it for the first about 1-2 minutes. We will let it stay, let it totally char the bottom, and before we flip it over. So I'll probably wait until about 1.5 minutes or so. So this is after approximately 1.5 minutes. So two, you can actually slowly use a spatula or a bigger spoon to help you to turn or flip it over. Look at how beautiful it is. We will give this side another 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now usually most fish cutlet will take you about probably each side plus minus about 2 minutes. This one maybe I will cook it slightly longer because it's actually very thick. And always remember one thing: deep frying meat or deep frying fish doesn't mean this dish is going to be oily. Do it the right way, then it will not absorb the oil. It only becomes oily when the ingredient started to absorb the oil. So in what situation that your meat or your fish will actually start absorbing oil? One very important thing is right before you want to dish out from the oil, that temperature should be the higher ones. It cannot lower down. If we lower down at the point of right before you dishing out, it may actually start absorbing oil. So this after another 2 minutes. Push it to the side. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. Golden brown. I will give this side another about 30 seconds or so, then I will dish it out. And throughout the whole process, actually I did not tune down the fire. I keep it at medium high. Yeah. If you really feel the temperature is too high, you can actually reduce a little bit, but don't reduce too much. Right. Total frying time about 4.5 minutes to 5 minutes. Push it to the side to let the extra oil render out. Then I will put it onto oil absorbing paper at the side here. This is another trick where your deep frying fish will not be oily. This oil absorbing paper is going to help you a lot. You can get it very easily from Daiso. Yeah. Remember, we have some ginger slices. I'm going to use a medium heat to fry it. Oh, quite hot. I reduce the heat a little bit. If not, it's going to get cao da too easily. Right, something like this. We'll fry until it is golden brown. It should take less than 1 minute, I would say. Right, we have the fish, we have the fried ginger, done. You can put some greens on top, I think it will look even nicer. Right, I added some fresh coriander on top. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.